Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market update on the S&P 500 Index. What a rally, very quick retracement rally from this key cloud chart support level here at the front end of the cloud. We had a beautiful rebound from roughly the 4,500 zone. These are front cloud support levels, and now we get right past the turning line and the standard line of the cloud, right past the front end cloud chart resistance, and now it's kind of stalling in around these levels. So it'll be interesting to see if we get a follow-on rally today or for the rest of the week, but I do suspect that the fact that we've got this gap in the price action, that's a bit of a risk. So it can snap back to test these two levels as well for key support. Now, turning to the 4-hour chart, we can see you literally had a few, literally a couple of minutes to really put your trades on for this particular swing trade back from this cloud chart rebound zone. Note how the front end of the cloud here at 4,525 also managed to provide some swing trade opportunities. And now we also have this gap on the 4-hour chart, so I do suspect that we can get that gap to be closed over the next week or two. Now the S&P 500 is navigating the front end cloud chart resistance on the 4-hour chart. So this 4,693 zone and almost 4,700 is a new resistance zone from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. So it will be interesting to see if we're going to get break past that level. Bit of a negative candle here on the 4-hour. It's a quite a bearish candle, and that candle's on the daily one as well. So there is still some downside risk in the market because that's the so far that's the top of the current rally. So we need to break past that level. But I do suspect that from a seasonal point of view, we might still have a continued rally into the new year, and then next year will be the challenge. Q1 and Q2 of next year is going to be a major challenge for the market. From the weekly, we can see the massive front cloud support levels here. So the S&P rebounded from front cloud on the weekly as well. So there was a couple of swing trade opportunities from this rebound, but I don't particularly like this very wide price action. So you'd much rather see tighter price action or something like that. This is a little bit too volatile, and the daily range is too wide. So when that kind of happens at the top end of a chart that's overall bearish, you'd much rather want to see tight price action as it grinds higher. So there is a bit of downside risk to close this gap in the S&P, but we'll see if there's a follow-on move today to test these other resistance zones. And we know that resistance level there currently is roughly where the 4-hour chart level is. So watch out to see where that, you can see the front end of the cloud on the 4-hour is a key resistance zone. So we're not out the woods yet. We need to get past that level. And the top end there for the rally to continue. So we're not out the woods yet, but it's been a quite a strong rebound. You didn't have much time to get your swing trades on, and broke past the top end cloud chart. Will be interesting to see if the top end of the cloud will now act as new support, but I do expect that this gap is going to be closed at some point the next week or two. So just be aware of that. So these are the lines in the sand. Now on the 4-hour chart, you can see there, that's the resistance level. So the S&P really needs to break past that and then retest this old high range to see if that resistance will last again. So until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.